Hello and warmly welcome great minds to Scamper IT Services and Hope All is well. Alright, so inside this video we are going to talk about MTN website that will blow your mind. Alright, so since many users are not aware of this website and uh, over the past years we have been joining queues and suffering in lane. But inside this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a useful and powerful website of MTN that will help you at least ease yourself from stress and also joining queue. So work with me as we go through, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. So let's launch our Google Chrome app. Alright, so when you get there to Chrome, just tap on this three dots to set your desktop to set your phone to desktop site. Okay. Alright, so inside there you are going to type MTN online customer request. So MTN online customer request. Then you send. Alright, so right after sending, let me zoom for you guys to see. They will say searching results for customer portal. Okay, customer portal. So this is our favorite. Okay, why we are here. Let's go to customer portal. Customer portal. Alright, so if you tap on it, it will take a little bit to load. Alright, so inside here let's wait for the full page to show. Alright, so we have you enter your phone number. Okay, you enter your phone number to proceed. Enter your phone number. Right, so when you are done, you tap on proceed. Okay, so they will send you an OTP for you to verify. Okay, for you to verify. All right, so our OTP is in. Let's just input and tap on verify. It says please wait. Okay, so you wait a while as it takes you through the journey. All right, so inside here, this is the feature that's going to blow your mind. Okay, we have select product. Select product. Let's view it. If you choose select product, we have SIM swap request, MoMo reactivation or claim form, mobile money pin reset, mobile money registration form, uh, MoMo enhancement, MoMo profile enhancement, SIM registration update form. All right, so this website will help you. Let's pick the MoMo registration form. All right, then we tap on generate form. All right, so this website will help you register your mobile money sitting in the house. Okay, sitting in the house. So here you are going to input your phone name. Okay, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your resident address, your date of birth, gender, male or female, your digital address, occupation, nationality, specific country, or if you are not a Ghanaian, work permit. um, we have the expire date of work permit. We have the upload picture of your work permit. But if you are not doing any work permit issues here, then you shouldn't. So it's for the foreigners that are in Ghana. All right, so we have the ID type and we have the ID number. We have the choose Ghana card. So you just fill everything. We have the next of kin. So all questions that will be answered when you get there. So it's a disclaimer. Mobile Money Limited reserve the right not to process the mobile money registration request if we cannot validate information provided or find information to be untrue or falsified. Alright, so it means that anything that must be filled here should be the right detail. Okay, anything that would be filled here should be the right detail. So we have another. So for instance, let's pick mobile money pin reset and generate form. So here too we have a form you are to fill. So you see this is unique from the registration form. So let's pick another form. I don't want to make these tutorials too long, so you can do everything here. Okay, you can do everything here with regards to what you want to do. Okay, with regards to what you want to do. So thank you all guys for coming through. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos, and I'm out.